Hey guys, welcome back to Show Me Tint. I'm gonna show you what's popping today at the shop. We're just doing a lot of stuff. It's Friday, we're kicking it off. Everybody's having a good day. Vibes are good. You should stop by and check it out. We're having a good time. There's been a lot of these vans coming through, which is really wild because, you know, we don't work on a lot of vans, but there's nothing wrong with these vans. But this is like the second one we're doing. Paint protection, ceramic coating. This is a new Explorer. I think this is with an ST. We've already got the whole thing wrapped here. I don't know if I showed that to you already. And we did a ceramic pro coating on it. Super glossy, Rossi, ready to rock. Yeah, we're getting these all out for the weekend. We're all ready to go have some fun. Andre's doing a ceramic coating on this glass over here. Andre, how's it going up there? You loving it? Oh yeah, you look so good. So ceramic coating on glass, it's kind of like an evolved version of that Rain-X product. So what it's gonna do is he's gonna clean the surface. You might have to use 4-aught steel wool, Andre. Get it really clean, you know, scrub it. What it's gonna do is it's gonna bond to the glass and it's keep water repelling off of there, which is gonna increase the vision of the vehicle. Nobody likes it when it's raining so hard you can't see out of it. So this works way better than any Rain-X product. Nothing against Rain-X, but I'm just saying, like, this is just a very advanced version of that product. We do it on whole paint surfaces. We can do it on just your glass. Some people do it on just their windshield. It's very customizable to your budget and what your needs are. You know, it's something simple we do. Something complicated we're doing is wrapping this truck brown, the coffee brown, downtown coffee brown. Look, it's coming together. So me and this guy had a little meeting, man, and he is going off the chain. So this is what we were gonna do, and now we're doing something super sick. When I show this to you, when you guys tune back in for this, you're gonna wanna see this because it is probably the sickest graphics I've seen us put on, and the sickest I've seen in the area. Sick. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. You're gonna wanna see it. We're not even gonna wrap this brown. We're not even gonna wrap this brown. This is gonna be something else. And it's gonna be super crazy. It's gonna be wild. You know what I mean? It's actually gonna do this motion. So that's your hint, like this. What would it be? Like that. You gotta tune in, check it out, subscribe, like it. Share with your friends. Don't worry about this stuff. This will all be put back together shortly. It's gonna have like grays and pinks. It's gonna have this thing right here. I can't wait to get it done. Oh, that reminds me, we actually have to get the measurements for that. Oh my God, I have to order that. Let's find someone to tell them to do that. Hey Nick, can you help them get the measurements for the graphic that's going on the truck? No, they don't have the measurements. They just have the artwork. So that guy sent us an email. The artwork's in there. We already need to have that turned in already. And we need to send the guy the quote and tell him how much it's gonna be and beat that out. Don't let him know what it is. Well, I guess we'll go down to the tint shop, I guess, see what's cracking. The guys probably already knocked out all the cars today. There's probably no more cars left in Springfield. There's two, I see two. Look, there's no car. Oh, that one don't count. We tinted that one already. These are two vehicles. We actually wrapped this one previously. It got brought to us in this condition, so we're gonna clean it all up. Rewrap the parts that are white. It's actually a super sick truck. The owner of this car is probably one of my coolest customers. I'm not even kidding you. It's not a competition, guys, but this guy is just like off the chain cool. Like, he's just so laid back and cool. I'm thankful I get to meet some of these super cool people. There's my little single cab. Oh, I love that truck so much. Literally, it's one of my favorite trucks. These are all my little toys right now. I'm just storing them over here. You know, no big deal. Just normal stuff. This is a Tesla we wrapped previously. When that ice came down, the ice just beat this poor thing up. So we're gonna rewrap the bumper for the customer, and we're going to put some paint protection on there to help him not have that issue again. Also very, very cool customer. We're getting this all dialed in for him. And this guy, we thought we were done. He said, hold on. Let's powder coat the calipers white. They're gone. No braking system. It's gone. We had to order special brackets for the seats to get those mounted in. The guy, I was like, hey man, you don't have the right stuff. He's like, order whatever you need. So we've got those coming. So we're gonna give you a finished product of this soon. These are basically what we're matching all the accents to. These are the seats we're trying to get in. You got the white taillights, white seats, white calipers, white markers. So ideally it's gonna tie all together with little white accents. So we just gotta get that together. I'm pretty sure the car was white before. That's what's weird, is we're like got rid of all the color and then we're gonna highlight it with the original colors. That's the fun stuff we get to do every day. These guys just showed up. They weren't even on the schedule. They just like dropped off like 3 cars with us from a local dealership, and they're like, here, can you fix all these? I was like, oh well, I'm gonna have to order some stuff. Yeah, obviously. We're getting that knocked out. The guys at the tint shop are having a good day today. We had a big cookout this week. That was fun. Everybody made nachos. Ramon, what are you doing? You make this thing any faster? More horsepower? This is sick. Did you get the stickers? Good, they're gonna be excited to get this back. Oh yeah, it does look good. Did you want to make them straight or not? I'm just kidding. I just got, his face was like, how dare you say they're not straight. We added these white gloss stripes. This is a super easy mod you could do to your car. Makes it a little faster, I think. I'm pretty sure. But it is cool. It's a factory option for the GT500. They seem like a lot of them have the dual rally stripes. I don't know if all of them do. If you guys know, comment on there. I think they, as far as I know, they all have a dual rally stripe. Different versions of this throughout the years. This is actually from another local body shop that was like, hey, fix this. This like literally like one day, like 4 body shops showed up and was like, fix all this stuff for us and put it all back together and send a bill. I'm like, yeah, okay, cool. I've been organizing them a little bit over here. Andre's working on some stuff. Oh, ooh, you almost got me. Luckily you missed me. You like shot like between my legs. Oh my God, I was so close. Yeah.
You're on your toes, dude.
Yeah. I hate that gun. We've been shooting each other with it all week. Dude, dude, that was close. I got so lucky.
Dude, I got shot in the lip with it over the weekend.
I think I got shot in the mouth or something. I came around, shot him, and it didn't even phase him. He was like, I got shot in the mouth. I was like, being, you know what I mean? Whatever normally people say. Freak.
Ow.
I don't know if he's got any in here. Piece of crap. That's what you get. Yeah, it's a good time. When it slows down a little bit, we typically get in trouble. Yay! We got to get some more of those guns though, for real. Oh damn, darn, dang it. I'm just bombing it up today. I showed you the wheels on this. He's doing the chrome delete. We've got the wheels out of it. This is a really cool little project. It doesn't look like much, right? But this little girl, man, she's probably this tall. And she races this little goat cart. They actually saw a wrap that we did. So you can imagine it sets about like that, right? So this is the goat cart. So it sets in there. And she saw one of the wraps we did in Mount Vernon, I think, or something. The lady we did a chrome Jeep for. She was inspired by it. She wanted her little cart to kind of match with the pink. We're having that done. We're getting this all wrapped up. I mean, I guess she just kills it. I guess she's out there just breaking necks and writing checks. She's doing it. We're excited to get this thing done for her too. It should be a cool project. And once you see it all done, it'll look really cool. It's gonna be like a sparkly pink with some teal and some chrome numbers. It's gonna be wild. We can't wait to help her cross the finish line in style. All right, guys, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna test some more cars? All right, guys, well, I guess we're gonna get back to work. All right, we're gonna do some paint protection. Stop by the shop, see what's up. Make sure you like, subscribe it, see what's happening. Come by, bring a little Nerf gun, shoot Drew for me. I'll give you like a free t-shirt or something. Do that. That'd be super sick. All right, guys. Well, thank you. I appreciate you checking it out. Have a good day.